The choices individuals make regarding their spending habits can greatly influence their financial situation. Responsible spending choices involve distinguishing between needs and wants, avoiding unnecessary debt, and saving for future goals. We have to be able to distinguish between our needs and wants. Like I said earlier, our wants are numerous, but because of scarcity, we cannot satisfy all of those wants. That is why we have to curtail our spending habit. Do never cultivate the habit of impulsive buying. Do away with impulsive purchases so that you are able to live within your means.